So in this tutorial I will talk about the margins and paddings. So first of all we need to know what is that. So it is basically the classes, and instead of manually adding CSS to the controls, we will use the standard classes provided by SAP UI5, and these classes take care of the consistent sizing step, left to right support, and responsiveness. Those are the principle of the UI5. So that is the reason SAP predefined some classes, so we can use that, and we can check that how its impact in our design. So in that panel there is a header text. I can make it little bit. So here inside that header text we will use a class that is called that SAP UI responsive margin. So here we use the SAP UI responsiveness margin, that is on class. And how it will margins, I can just auto. So that is just on, and you can see that there is another button text. So in that button text or the button tag we can use another classes, and it's all predefined CLA class, that is SAP UI MarginEnd. So that is another classes. So this all about like how we can use the existing classes inside our design or page layout. So now let's add another text. Basically that is the new text. So it's already coming, but we don't need this. So now text is like text hello, and it will come from that properties. So that is called recipient, then name. That is the same I can use like what I use in the previous model. So from here, and if we don't use the class it will show as a normal, but if I use a class then it will automatically change the layout. SAP UI margin, small margin. So here actually all about that how you can use the classes. So now if I just save and if I just refresh, you can see that it's changed based on that class, and this is the new text also appearing here, and actually that is the it is appearing based on that class format. So now if you change that, you can change, that is the automatically changing, but it is not the breaking. So that is the main advantage of the margins and padding. So that's all, and you need to know that which margin you can use, which class you can use. So that's the beauty. So that's it in this video, and let's continue with the custom CSS and theme in the next video. Thank you.